Okay, so it's min.css. Yeah, fine, thank you. So this is our button. Now here comes the crazy part. What I want to do is like, as soon as I click on the button, okay, so here let's write a id here, id equal to uh, test action, let's say. All right, so as soon as I click the button, there should be something up here, like, you know, hey, you clicked me or something like that, some crazy stuff. We'll see how we can do that. Okay, here I'll write my script. I told you a while back that, you know, we will be writing scripts in the footer itself or at the bottom. Oops. Okay, now here, so here what I do is I'll write it as an attribute on click. On click equal to, what it's supposed to do is like call a JavaScript function. Okay, this time I'll say click me is a function. Okay, so as soon as I click it, it calls a function called click me. So we'll see function click me. Here what it's supposed to do is like, okay, it should get the element first, element equal to document dot get element by id. Okay, the id is test action. Now here element dot inner html, why did you click me? Alright, let's see what happens. Okay, what I've done is like I'm taking the document, the test action over there. Let's see what happens. I click this. Oh, there's a problem. So let's see what the problem is. Okay, let's see. Document dot get element by id text action, inner html equal to why did you click me? Everything's so far so good. JavaScript is also so far so good. Function are these same? The same. Click me is a function. Ooh, inner HTML is okay. Let's see. Refresh. Yeah, I did not refresh it. I'm sorry. You see, as soon as I click, it says, why did you click me? Now let's add some style to it. It does not look so good. So what I do is I'll use a class here. Class equal to alert success. Okay, and let's say we use the top here too. We'll see. Refresh. Now you see this is alert success. You see, why did you click me, it says. Okay, now I don't want that to appear even before. What I do is like I'll remove this class. Now as soon as I click it, that two things should happen. One is element dot style, or let's say not style, add, sorry, set, I'm sorry, set attribute. You can recollect this. What I want to say is class comma here alert success. Let's see if this happens or not. So I'm adding a class plus I'm putting some text over there. Let's refresh this. There's nothing now. See, it happened. So I will add the top class too. Okay, can you see it? This is the magic we can do using JavaScript events. This is what happens on the websites. So I click it. Now you see, this is how it does. Okay, on click. Now what I want to do is on double click, I want to make it in different way. Let's see. On double click equal to, now this time another will say JavaScript double me, just a function, random function. So now what I want to do is here function, okay, double me. Again, what I do is element equal to document dot get element by id test action. Now here element dot, first let me remove attribute because removing it. So remove class. Let's see what happens. Alright, so refresh. I clicked it, I double clicked it. It removed the classes, everything. You see? Any questions, Tawfiq? Double click. See, I'll show. First time I click it, and now I double click it. So now it looks a bit odd. So what we do is let's add another class, set attribute. Set attribute here class. Now this time give me the same but alert danger, let's say, and top also. Double click this time. Okay, so refresh. I click, I double click. Oh, I did not add the class. Let's see what's wrong with the class. So, oh, danger. Only there's a spelling mistake over there. That's the reason. So I close it. So this is how Firebug is really useful, like to debug it real quick. Now double click. See, it turned red. I click, I double click, click, double click, click, double click. So like such, I can manipulate my things over there on click and double click. Okay. Now we'll see mouse over and mouse out. Alright. So now here what we do is like we take an image here. So let that be continued. So here I'll say image src equal to, so let's see what images we got over here. So images, okay, okay, we have 3.jpg inside images and kits. So src images kits 3.jpg. Alright. Let the width be, let's not use width and anything, let's use only class. Class is image, what is this, thumbnail, I guess. Thumbnail, I don't even exactly know what it is. I don't remember actually, not about knowing. So let's see. Okay, nice. So let's go and see actually get boost. Oops. Bootstrap.com, css and images. Well, this is the class image. So image responsive, image thumbnail, it says img thumbnail. Let's see img thumbnail. So I come here, refresh. Oh, nothing's really happening over there. So what do we do is I'll say width equal to 100, height equal to, let's say, let's take proportional. So height will be, if width is 100, height will be somewhere around 75. Looks really small, I guess. Let's see. Yeah, it's really small. So let's say 500 and 375. This makes good. And I'll use class top here also. So let's see, image img thumbnail. I know it should look like this, but I don't know why it's not giving it.